everyone, welcome to another video. Today's a bit of a random one and a bit of a, not really a ranty one, but a bit of a fun take, piss take, whatever you want to call it. They've still not been back to fix the hole in the ceiling in my living room. So it's just getting beyond a joke. I'll show you what that hole looks like. So what I'm going to do is make a feature of this. So I'm going to take a few different themes and decorate the wonderful hole in my ceiling. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm going to do. If you check out this video that I will link, I think it's up here somewhere, it tells you, it goes into what happened and why I've got the hole in the ceiling. Okay, so this is the first option. I've just used an autumn wreath. I think it looks rather autumnal and very decorative. I'm just too creative. Let's look at it from a few different angles. I just adjusted it a bit by putting a bit of this sort of cobwebby stuff into the hole. Sort of adds a certain something to that corner. And here's the Christmas version. That Father Christmas does light up, but I need to put a new battery in it. So I think that'll look very festive. All lit up. And there's the deer that I bought from Home Bargains last year. They're just sort of hanging around. Obviously I could get some lights out as well and put those on it, but they're all a bit tangled up at the moment. These are just a few bits that I could get hold of. Yeah, I could really make a Christmas feature out of this. Hopefully the hole will be gone by then, but I'm not banking on it. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed my sort of having a laugh at the situation. Hopefully they'll come back and fix it sometime this year. We've only had it since, I don't know, was it April, May, something like that? So it's becoming a sort of semi-permanent feature of the living room. Anyway, I will see you next time in another video. I'd love you to check out more of my videos and do the old... Sorry, Lola just knocked her toy under the sofa. All right, so do the old... And then... And I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.